may I request or get a comment from PhilHealth and DOH that maybe our advocacy of helping poor patients, no copay, no out-of-pocket, which was clarified by this memorandum, shouldn't this be now at least discussed with DILG, with PhilHealth and DOH, to be considered in that seal of good local governance as part of the health matrix for our LGUs?
Yes, that's an excellent idea, Mr. Speaker, our dear colleague. The PhilHealth and the DOH agrees.
Okay, thank you. I'm satisfied just as long as the sponsor follows up with PhilHealth DOH. I think there will be substantial improvement in terms of helping our poor patients.